In match problem 1, we're given two partial antiderivatives, or two partial indefinite integrals to evaluate. In the first one, we have our given function, and we're integrating with respect to y. So if we're integrating with respect to y, we treat everything else as a constant. So 4x is just a constant, so our integral will be 4x times, now we actually integrate y, so that'll become y squared over 2 plus 12x squared is just a constant, times y cubed, we integrate, and that becomes y to the fourth over 4, plus some constant c, since we're back to looking at an indefinite integral. And now we can just simplify. 4 over 2 will give us 2xy squared, plus 12 over 4 will give us 3x squared y to the fourth, plus some constant c. So what we're going to add here is one additional change. So previously when we dealt with single variable functions, we always had some constant c at the end. Now what this is going to become is some expression c of x. And the difference here is that c of x is a constant or some function of x. But not a function of y. So it could be that c of x is some constant, we don't know what it is. C of x could also be some expression in terms of x, because if we differentiated it with respect to y, we get back to our original problem here, because that derivative would just go to 0. So this is just a minor change for antiderivatives with multivariables. Instead of a constant at the end, it's always a function that could be a constant or some other function in terms of the other variable that we didn't integrate with respect to. So since this is y, this function is c of x. So now what we have, our second example here, is the exact same problem, but now integrating with respect to x. So 4y will be treated as a constant, and then we'll integrate x, which will become x squared over 2, plus 12y cubed times x cubed over 3, plus some constant, or again some function that's in terms of the other variable. So since we integrated with respect to x, some function c of y. So this is again similar to that idea of some unknown constant. This is some unknown expression that we just leave c of y as that placeholder. So then we can just simplify. 4 over 2 will give us 2yx squared, plus 12 over 3 will give us 4y cubed, x cubed, plus c of y.